Hello, and regards to leadership of ULAP ORG, and thank you for the opportunity to qualify for the second best the ULAP ORG scholarship. I really appreciate this opportunity to talk to you all about my dreams, experience, and vision in the world of technology. My name is Kristiawan. I am a second semester student majoring in information technology system and at Universitas 17 Agustus Surabaya in Surabaya City, Indonesia. Today, I would like to answer some questions that have been given for the second page of the selection so that I can process to the next page and explain why I feel suitable to participate in this scholarship program and how I plan to use this opportunity to develop in my career, especially especially in the technology field. Um, Number one, how do you identify yourself as part of an under-pressure group? What impact does being part of an under-pressure group have on your career? As a young student from Surabaya, I feel a responsibility to address in the inequality of access to technology that still exists in our society. In my area, there are many young people who have great potential in the IT field but do not have adequate access to quality information technology education. As a second semester student with a background that is related to IT, I have experienced firsthand the challenge faced by those who want to pursue a career in technology but have limitless and the limitation. This inequality can be seen from the lack of adequate computer and internet facilities in school in my area, as well as the lack relevant training in technology. Is as a result, many young people who are talented in IT are unable to develop their potential optimally. A personality that feel this when I started my studies in IT. I had to struggle harder to catch up in terms basic understanding of the technology and programming. Uh, by being part of an under pressure group, I see this not as a barrier but as additional motivation to pursue better education and training and increase independence in facing challenge. I believe will allow me to make a positive difference in the world technology, but in Indonesia and globally. I want to an example that with determination and hard work, anyone can success. Regrets of background or limitless limitation. For example, I once held a small workshop in my neighborhood to introduce the basic of programming to local children and teenagers. In the workshop, I took basic for programming to local children and teenagers. Uh, in the workshop, I took basic concepts such as programming logic, simple algorithm, and how to create basic application using the Python programming language. Although this was a small step, uh, I saw the enthusiasm and eagerness to learn from the workshop participant is a sign that there is a lot of untapped potential of community in my community. This experience gave me a new perspective on the importance of access to technology education for everyone, not just those in big cities or with better research. I'm even more motivated to continue learning and sharing my knowledge with others, especially those who are less fortunate. With this scholarship, I hope to expand the positive impact that I can have on my community and the builder community. Number two, what are the challenges that students or career seekers face when trying to enter in tech industry? Entering the tech industry is a big challenge for anyone, include me as a student who does not have a family background in IT. One of the main challenges in face was the lack of practical experience before starting the study. The lack of witness and mentorship early my educational journey also made the learning process more difficult. However, I see this challenge as opportunities to learn more and grow as a more competent individual in the future. In addition, the uncertainty and rapid change in the technology industry require us to constantly learn and adapt to the latest development. I have to constantly update my skill and knowledge to stay relevant in the competitive job market. Uh, this requires a significant commitment of time and effort, especially when balancing academic studies and self-development effort outside the curriculum. I, I actively seek out additional research outside the university curriculum, such as online course, webinars, and workshops to deepen my knowledge in programming, information system, and other related technology. Is also strive to participate in collaborative project and internship at local technology companies to again necessary practical experience and expand my professional networks. Uh, for example, I have taken online course on Python, HTML, and MySQL, which have greatly helped me in understanding the basic of programming. In addition, I have I have also participated in free webinars hosted by various leading technology companies to gain insight into the latest trend in the industry. I believe that this combination of theoretical knowledge and practical experience will provide a strong foundation for me to success in a technology career. Another challenge faced by students or those who are switching career to the technology industry in the lack support from the surrounding environment. Many many people around me do not understand the importance of the technology field and tend to underestimate career option in this industry. However, I see this as motivation to prove that technology is an important field and has a great impact on our daily lives. I also face challenges in terms of developing the soft skill needed to success in the technology industry. For example, the ability to communicate well, work in a team, and project management are skills that are not always taught in the formal curriculum. To, to overcome this, activi- actively, I actively seek opportunities to practice and develop the skill through collaborative project, group discussion, and extracurricular activities. Number three, what school or organization activities have you participated in the demonstrate your passion for technology or other non-tech volunteer work? If you volunteer work, if you volunteer for any organization, what do you enjoy about volunteering? Uh, to be honest, I have never been involved in my community or organizational uh, activities, either in the technology or non-technology field. However, this lack of experience does does not make me feel less confident. Instead, it encourages me to be more proactive in seeking and creating opportunities for independent learning. I have utilized various online research to learn programming and information technology. I take online courses from leading educational platforms and participate in webinar hosted by experts in the technology field. I also try to apply the knowledge I've gained by working on several case studies to train my logical thinking and understanding of programming language. For example, I once developed a very simple personal project in the form of a crude read updated system that is commonly used in cafe, cashier or shopping stores using Python. This project not only helped me understand the basic concept of programming but also trained my ability to solve problems independently. Although this project is not perfect, this experience has provided many valuable lessons that I will carry forward. I also realize the importance of involvement in the technology community and the desire to join a technology organization or community in the future. I believe that working with the people who share the same interests will enrich my experience and help me grow faster in this field. I am very enthusiastic about getting involved in community activities and organizations that can enrich my experience and make a positive contribution. In addition, I have also tried to find volunteer experience outside the technology field to develop my soft skill. For example, I have volunteered in social activity held by, held by the local community, such as helping to raise funds for orphanage and teaching underprivileged children in my area. Although not directly related to technology, this experience help help me develop empathy, communication skills, and the ability to work in a team. I believe that involvement in volunteer activities, but in technology and non-technology field, is an effective was to development skill and exam and expand my social network. I I really enjoy the opportunity to help other and feel that my small contribution can make a significant difference to those in need. Uh, Number four, what is your dream job and why? My dream is to become a professional software engineer in a leading global company. I'm interested in developing innovative technology solutions that can improve operational efficiency and empower communities. I want to contribute to reducing the technological gap that still exists in remote area and even cities in Indonesia and around the world. As a software engineer, I aspire to develop applications and systems that are not only technology advanced but also beneficial to the wider community. I believe that technology has I have great potential to solve various social and economic problems, and I want to be a part of the solution. I see I see myself I see myself working at a leading technology company like Google, Microsoft or Amazon, where I can learn from the best professional in the industry and contribute to innovative projects that have a big impact. I'm interested in fields such as artificial intelligence (AI), machine learning, and mobile application development, which I believe have great potential to change the way we live and work. And in addition, I also dream of the dream of one day starting my own technology startup. I want to create technology solution that can help address pressing social issue in Indonesia, such as limitless such as limited access to education, economic inequality, and environmental issue. I believe that technology can be a powerful tool to empower communities and create positive, sustainable change. I also hope to collaborate with non-profit organizations and government to implement technology solutions that can address various social and environment problems. I believe that the collaboration between the private sector, non-profit, and government is key to achieving sustainable and inclusive change. Number five. Number five. What is our mission and vision that resonates with you? I'm I'm very interested the mission and vision of this scholarship program that emphasizes inclusion, innovation, and empowerment through technology. I believe that the advanced education I receive from this program will not only strengthen my skill, but also provide me with the opportunity to directly contribute to improving the social and economic condition of the community around me. I'm very inspired by the program effort in supporting individuals from diverse backgrounds to reach their full potential through technology. I believe that education is the key to opening new opportunities and addressing the inequalities that exist in our society. By participating in this program, I hope to contribute to this great mission and help create a more just and inclusive world. Also, feel vision of this program aligns with my long-term goal of establishing a technology startup that focuses on developing technology-based solutions to pressing social problems. I'm confident that through this scholarship program, I can gain the skills and knowledge necessary to realize my vision. In addition to academic experience and self-learning initiatives, initiatives, I have also I've also been actively developing soft skills such as code, communication skill, problem solving skills, and the ability to adapt in dynamic environment. I believe that this combination of technical and soft skill will be a valuable asset for me as to success in the competitive technology industries. For example, in my personal project, I often face challenges that require creative problem solving and critical thinking. I also learned to communicate effectively with classmates and mentors to get constructive feedback and suggestion. I believe that I believe that the skills will help me collaborate with diverse teams and active common goals. In in the in the long term, I hope to combine my technical knowledge with my interest in solving social problems through technology. I want to be an agent of change in driving technology adoption in remote area and helping local communities harness the potential technology to improve their quality of life. I aspire to establish a technology startup that focuses on developing technology-based solutions to processing social problems. For example, I want to develop an application that can help farmers in remote areas to access market information and better agricultural technology. I believe that technology can be a powerful tool to empower communities and create positive, sustainable change. I also hope to collaborate with non-profit organization, organization and government to implement technology solutions that can address various social and environmental issues. I believe that collaboration between the private sector, non-profit, and government is key to achieving sustainable and inclusive change. The thus thus concludes my presentation about myself and my career ambition in the technology. I am confident that with a strong passion for learning, dedication to overcoming challenge, and the support of this scholarship program, I can achieve my dreams and make a meaningful contribution to the global community. Uh, thank you for thank you for the opportunity that has been given to me to pass to the second stage and answer some things that are recruitment to pass the next stage. I'm ready to answer question or have further discussion at the next opportunity. Thank you.